Hey, what's up guys? If you like DIY lawn care, and if you like mowing, and if you enjoy coastal living, then this is the channel for you. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications for the next time that I post a video for you. And go ahead and check out my Teespring store for some awesome Don's Lawns merch. Make sure you visit CoolieNation.com and use code DonsLawns10 for a 10% discount off of your next custom koozie order. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another episode. I've recently been dealing with some fungus in my lawn, so I was thinking about going ahead and getting a soil test done since I didn't get one done prior to the spring beginning. And I found that my local city and AgriLife department is doing a soil test campaign for free soil tests in Corpus Christi. So why not? I picked up 3 of them. I'm going to do one in the front lawn where I'm going to take multiple samples from the front. I'm going to do one for the majority of my backyard where I've got multiple samples that I'm going to combine. And then I'm going to do one for my difficult fungus disease area that I've been having to deal with kind of every year. It's something that's just kind of, it recovers and then it comes back every year. So that's an area that I'm going to do on its own. I'm not going to mix the samples with the other samples. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open this up and I'm going to show you what all is inside. Obviously outside, it's got the soil testing campaign, City of Corpus Christi and Texas A&M AgriLife. All these identifiers here, name, zip code, zip area, my sample ID. So I'm going to open up the bag. Coastal Bin Fertilizer and Pesticide Monitoring Program, free kit. Collect soil, fill out label on collection bag, fill out soil sample information form, drop off soil sample at one of these locations. They've got all these areas around Corpus Christi and Robstown in the area for you to pick these up and drop them off for free. Test results, including recommendations for soil treatment will be emailed. That's awesome. And then they talk about how to collect the soil samples and all kinds of information here. So where to sample, how to collect a soil sample, how to estimate square footage, dropping off your soil sample, and then there's a notes portion. Here's the form for everyone to get a little glance at. And then again, this is the directions for the whole process. Pretty interesting. Well, let's go outside and let's start collecting some samples. finished digging our samples up, and the FedEx man just came by with a special delivery from none other than Coolie Nation. So I'm not gonna sit around and wait. I'm gonna open this box up. I'm gonna take a look. I'm interested to see how these koozies turned out. Awesome. These are friggin' awesome. Man. Sweet koozies. Neoprene material. It's got this cool Don's Lawns logo. Check these out. Make sure you guys go to coolienation.com. Use code DonsLawns10 for 10% off your next custom koozie order. Let's get back to our soil samples. I filled out my sections, used my lawn journal to remember when the last time I applied my fertilizer was, which was Milorganite on March 24th. So there's that for the backyard trouble spot. This one for the front yard. All of them have the same dates, but just showing you that I filled them out. Super easy to fill out. And I'm gonna put these in the bags and go drop them off to get tested. It's as easy as that. They're gonna send me an email with the test results and any recommendations. Can't wait. Looking forward to this. Hope you guys stay tuned. I've got more coming your way. Remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoyed today's video, and follow me on Twitter at DonsLawns1. See you next time.